Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, you learn, in addition to the FreeCAD sketching, also about the application of FreeCAD tools like Extrude, Hole, Polar Pattern, Pocket, Chamfer, and Fillet. This is the exercise for today. We convert this 2D drawing step by step into this 3D solid part. There are several ways or steps to create 3D solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. In step 1, we sketch half of the middle section without the holes and create a solid part with the help of the revolution tool. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XZ plane. First, create roughly the shape of the profile with the polyline tool and dimension it later. Next, constrain and dimension the geometries. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Now select the sketch and activate the revolution tool and then select the rotation axis. In step 2, we sketch first one of the gear profile and create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. Select the cylinder front face and then activate the Sketch tool. Sketch 2 circles with a radius of 25 and 30 millimeters. Sketch a curve between the 2 circles. Now, assign the dimension between the curve and the vertical axis. Next, select the curve and activate the mirror tool and then select the vertical axis. Now, Remove unnecessary curves with the trim tool. As you see, the sketch is full constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then extrude it by 25 millimeters. Let us add a chamfer to the front and the rear edges. Now, we create the other gears with the help of the Polar Pattern tool. Select the pad and the chamfer and then activate the Polar Pattern tool. Now select the x-axis in which the feature rotated and set the occurrences to 14. In step 3, we use the chamfer and the pocket tools to remove material from the created part. Next, select the front face edge and then activate the chamfer tool. Set the parameters according to the drawing. Select the front face and then activate the sketch tool. Next, activate the centered rectangle tool and sketch the rectangle on the vertical axis. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the pocket tool and then set the depth to 20 millimeters. Next, select the last pocket and then activate the Polar Pattern tool. Set the option base x-axis and change the occurrences to 4. In step 4, we create 2 holes from the front and the end part of the solid part. Select the front face and then activate the hole tool. In this dialog window, set the depth to 5 millimeters and the diameter to 4 millimeters. Create the other hole in similar way. In step 5, we add chamfer to the rear edge of the created part. Select the edge and activate the chamfer tool and then set the parameter. The last step is to add a fillet with a radius of 4 millimeters. Select the edges and then activate the fillet tool. That is for today. Follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.